True Stories.
We were celebrating my grandfather's anniversary. During the feast and traditional congratulations, grandfather declares that he is giving me and my cousin his tractor, which he received in the late 90s. However, the tractor is long broken and hasn't been started in over 20 years. I decide to refuse my part of the gift and tell my brother that I don't need it and he can do what he wants with it. My brother, who grew up in the country and is well versed in tractors, was very excited for some reason. I thought he would probably scrap it as there was no big money to be made. However, he decided to have it repaired and had the paperwork restored. In the end, after spending $650 on the restoration, he sold the tractor for $3,700. That's a good boy.